Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new AI tool review. Today we have Moemate. It's an AI tool that it's been trending recently. We're gonna be checking it out, trying it out, seeing the feature, and telling you how to use it because it's a complicated platform. So if you're ready, stay tuned and let's go. So once you're in the front page of Moemate, you will notice you will need to have an account to access the main features of the platform, of course. Okay, so once you create your account, I call my account tutorial character for this video. You notice you have this icon right here, which means the charge you can use daily. That just ensures you don't overuse it, but you can click upgrade if you want more energy, of course, and more features. But in this video, we're gonna be checking out the free edition, how to use Moemate for free. So if you notice, they have generators. It's a new feature which give you a meme generation. Right here, you will see all the popular memes, hand rubbing. You receive compliments, the woman yelling, the cat. All these. All you need is just click try it, and okay, just skip that. You enter like your prompts, and you use 2 of your energy of Moemate. Also, you have the comic generator. There's only this 5-panel comic. You also can try it. Of course, you can see it also costs 2 of your Moemate energy. Okay, so the main thing we're gonna talk about is the characters, of course, because that's the main thing here. I want to talk about the beautiful UI they have. Once you hover on the character, you see the creator, description, and tags, which is really beautiful. I personally love it. You have the most used one, of course. Featured characters, challenge. This challenge, of course, you can try to raise up characters, the nerdy genius, the mysterious stranger, and so on. This is really fun, for example, if you want to play with some people. Also, famous people, creative, like characters with very intense details. Anime, of course, for anime fans. Assistants, of course. And I want to talk about that thing as well. If you click on skills, you can see a set of skills right here. You have narration, with XR, chess, checkers, photo enhancer, guided meditation, coder, and comedian. So for example, if you check on this narration, your character will narrate documents. And for example, if you click on this one, your character will have a sense of humor and can make jokes more. And also you have a coder, which means your character can generate codes for you. That's really useful as well. You can learn and have fun at the same time. You can use this as well to enhance your photos and so on. So feel free to check these skills. The next thing I want to talk about is the quest. So the Moemate now is like a game, mainly like a gacha game. So if you log in right here, you can see you have points. I already earned 1,000 points by following them on Twitter. Just make sure it's the same Gmail that you logged in this platform. It's the same one that you create your Twitter account, of course, because they need to sync and see if you really do the tags. So let's try like and retweet Nebula. So you click right here, they will take you to your X or Twitter account. So if you already haven't logged in, you need to log in. So let's see the task right here. It tells us to like and retweet. So you're gonna like and retweet, right? Got it. And you're gonna come right back here. You click claim. And you will see your point 2000 right here. If this prompt pops and say you have not done the task, you need to make sure it's the same Gmail for this to work, and so on. You can earn more points. You see the leaderboard, more people are right here. they have already done so many tasks. So this is our first day. Of course, we're not going to be ranked for now, but you can have your rank, of course, by logging in every day and doing all these tasks. So by doing only two, we're 2,160. So this is not bad, guys. This is like level 1. So this is not bad, guys. So yeah, this is just a fun side thing. You know, I just love the fact they provide this. So the platform has more. So now let's go back to the characters and try it. So the first, we're just gonna click with no preference, of course. We're just gonna click on the first character, Aiden. So this character is pretty much popular, guys. As you see, 4 million plus. You see the character info, the voice, selfie, like all the details. This platform is really amazing, offers a lot of details about your character. It just, you feel like you know more about them. Also, while chatting, you feel like the chat is more fun and interactive. So if you come right here, of course, this is your standard text. Let's say hi, for example. All right, once you hit the text, you will receive a chat, and of course you will see the charge. So for each chat there's a charge. So if you go right here, you can see we lost 1 charge, right? But don't worry, this is recharging similar to your phone. You lose your battery, you wait, you charge it, and it's full again. So you can chat for free, of course, and wait. Of course, you can get more. You click upgrade, you will see the plans monthly, yearly. You can see a lot of features and filtered chat. This is for, of course, 18 plus people, and filtered images, and a lot of features based on how much you're gonna pay. Or as I mentioned before, you pretty much can have fun every day doing these tasks, chatting a little bit with more characters, using the charging option. You can of course have multiple accounts with, pretty much if you have 3 accounts, you will have 300 Moemate energy elements. So this is pretty much, I think, enough for a daily fun, quick fun for you. So if you go back to the main page, of course, you will see the characters history, which means characters you already chat with them. And if you are more specific, you can search. I have pretty much 5,000 characters. That's crazy. It's pretty much, you will have everything, all the anime characters, movies, and pretty much everything. So if you click anime, it will filter to anime characters. Pretty much it's from real anime or just anime design. Of course, I forgot to mention they have a mobile app if you want to try it on your phone, right? And that's pretty much it. Tell me in the comments if you have tried Moemate before, or you tried it and you still struggle with something. Leave a comment and it will explain to you how to use it. So with all that being said, guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.